Hello, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all will be fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we discuss about what is Cisco router. So let's start the video. First of all, you click on your browser. When you click your browser, this page will be opened. You just click in the search bar and search Cisco router. When you search Cisco router, the website page will be opened. You just scroll down and click in this website what is router definition and uses. When you click this website, the page will be opened of what is router and what is Cisco router. How does it router work? Router guide the direct network data using packets that contain various kinds of data such as file communications and simple transmissions like web interactions. The data packets have several layers or sections, one of which carries identifying information such as sender, data type, size, and most importantly, the destination IP Internet Protocol addresses. The router reads the layer priorities and data chooses the best route of uses each transaction. Transmissions. How to router helps to business. A common tool of the modern network computing. Router connected employees to network both local and internet where just about every essential business activity takes a place. Without router, we would not be able to use the internet to collaborate, communicate, or gather information to learn. Router can also provide security, embedded firewall, and content filtering. Software provide an additional protection form of unwanted content and malicious of website without affecting your online experience. A router is not just a data transmission of internet connections, and throughout most of router allow to the connected hard driver used to them file sharing services or a printer that is taken the access of the anyone of network. Types of router: core router, edge router, distribution router. Core router are generally used by the service provider and it is provide maximum bandwidth to connect additional router and switches. Most of small business will not be need to CAN router, but very large enterprises that have too many employees working of the various building or locations may use of the core router a part of their network architectures. Edge router and edge router, also called a gateway router or just gateway for short in the network, othermost point of the connection which is external network including the internet. Edge router are optimized the bandwidth and designed for to connected other router to distribute data and user. Edge router does not usually have to only Ethernet port into input and connected with the internet several output of connected additional routers. Edge router and modern are somewhat integratable terms throughout the latter term and longer, commonly used by the manufacturer or IT professions which referencing edge router. Distribution router. A distribution router or interior router receive data from of the edge router or gateway via to the wired connection and send it on the end user, typically via Wi-Fi. Throughout a router usually also includes physical Ethernet connections and for connecting user additional routers. Wireless router. Wireless router are a residential gateway combined with a function or edge router and distribution router. These are a commonplace router for a network and internet access. Most of services provider provide full-featured wireless router and standard equipment. But even if you have to option to use ISP wireless router in your small business, you may be want to use business level router to take advantages to better wireless performance, more connectivity controls, and security. Virtual router. Virtual router are pieces of the software and allow to the some router functions to the virtualized cloud of the delivered and services. These routers are ideal for the business and complex network needs. They offer flexibility and securability for the lower entry cost and other benefits of a local network. Virtual router and redundant management of a local network hardware.